Hello everyone and welcome to another video about machine learning. Today we are going to talk about the Bayes theorem and how it's easy to apply it. But what is that? What is the Bayes theorem? So it's a commonly used term to deduce probabilities. It can be used to calculate the probability that a particular event will occur based on previous data that you have. So for that, we are going to see this little and easy example. Suppose you are in a marathon and there are people running around you or past you, and you want to know if a person that runs past you is either a runner or a police officer. Okay? So the probability, if you take a look for runners, maybe is 9 out of 10 and police officers 1 out of 10. So that's what we call the priori probabilities. It's something that we can know beforehand, even if we don't have any data, even if we don't have any probability based on the way they look, on the way they wear, or something like that, or in the things they have with them. But then we have to check about conditional probabilities. Handcuffs, walkie-talkie, running shoes. So handcuffs are probably things that runners they are not going to use in a marathon. Only police. Walkie-talkie, only police. Maybe runners if they are communicating with their friends. Running shoes, maybe only runners, but maybe a few police officers they can also wear running shoes. So that's something we need to take into account. Let's see you have this data. After you see, I don't know, 50 persons running past you, you see 6 guys with handcuffs and they are all officers. You see 10 people with running shoes and 2 of them are police officers, 8 of them are runners. You see 9 people with guns and thank God they are only officers. You see 8 people with a badge, those are police officers, none are runners. And with walkie-talkie you see 8 police officers and 3 runners. Okay? So if we take a look at a closer sight, every person that we see with handcuffs and badge, the combination of the both, maybe it's just a police officer and the probability is high. So how do we apply the Bayes theorem? So first we find the probability that this person is a runner. So probability of a runner if we have handcuffs and badge. Step 2, we find probability that this person is a police officer. So it's the same, but based on the assumption that it is a police officer. And 3, we pick the label with the higher probability. So whenever we are checking later with Python, we will see these probabilities in action. And you will see the numbers between 0 and 1. And probably the police officer is going to be like 0.99%, 99, which is 99%, and for the runner is going to be 0.01, which is a very low priority. And that's it for the Bayes theorem. So in the next video, we are going to go deeper into this theorem. We are going to use Python in the next few videos to understand the probability given previous data. I hope you like this video and see you in the next one.